Hi everyone, for today's video, I'm going to show you on how we are going to remove professional account on Instagram. Let's get started. Firstly, we need to make sure that we do have an updated Instagram account. We can do so by going into our App Store and make sure that we do have an updated account. Once everything is updated, we can go ahead and log into our Instagram account. So once we are here, we can go ahead and click the profile icon. And if you notice on our screen right now, this proves that we do have a professional account. So if we wish that we are going to remove such status, what we need to do then is to click the three lines here. And right after that, we can see here settings. We're going to click that. And right after that, we're going to scroll down and click account. And on account, we're going to scroll down again. And if you notice on our screen right now, we have here switch account type. We're going to click this, and we do have here the following options if we are going to switch to personal account or we are going to switch to business account. So basically, we are just going to switch this one to personal account. We're going to click this, and right after that, we're going to confirm the switching to personal account. We're going to click that, and basically it is now processing. And basically the process was successful because if you notice on our screen right now, the dashboard is already omitted on our screen. So there you have it. That's how we are going to remove professional Instagram account. I hope this video was helpful. Until the next one.